Welcome to Edutainment. I'm again here with another video. Our topic is articles in English. What are articles? Articles are the words used before noun to define whether the noun is specific or unspecific. Here are two types of articles: indefinite article, a and an. Definite article, the. Indefinite article, a and an. We use a or an when we are talking about something that is not specific or mentioned for the first time. Article a is used before the word that begins with a consonant sound. A cat, a book, a university. You can see the word university start with a vowel letter, but it gives sound of the consonant letter. University. That's why we use the article a before the word university. Article an is used before the word that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an umbrella, an art. Again, the word R starts with the consonant letter H, but H is silent here. And when we pronounce the word, it gives the vowel sound, R. That's why we use the article N for the word R, N-R. Definite articles, the. Use the when referring to something specific or already known to the speaker and listener. For example, the mood is for tonight. I purchased the dress you suggested. He walked to the library down the street. Use the when there is only one thing. For example, the moon, the president. It has already been mentioned. I heard the sound. The sound was scary. Both the doctor and the patient know what is being talked about. There are some tips that helps you to choose the correct article for the words. Article A is used when there is a general noun start with a consonant sound. For example, a hat, a car, a house. Article an used for a general noun start with a vowel sound. For example, an egg, an idea, an art. Article the used for the specific noun known to the listener. For example, the sun, the book on the table. Now get ready for the activity. Fill in the blank with the article a and or the. I saw dash cat in the garden. Dash cat was sleeping. He wants to buy dash orange and dash banana. We went to dash museum yesterday. Dash moon looks beautiful tonight. She wore dash yellow dress to dash party. Here is dash owl on the tree. Dash sun rises in the east. He found dash wallet and returned it to dash police officer. Activity number 2. Read the paragraph below and fill in each blank with the correct article, a, an, or the. Yesterday, I had dash interesting day. I woke up early and saw dash eagle sitting on dash old tree outside my window. It was such dash unusual sight. After breakfast, I took dash bus to dash university for dash early class. On the way, I met dash European tourist who asked me for the direction to dash museum. I gave him dash map and wished him good luck. When I go to the campus, I realized that I had forgotten dash assignment at home. Oh God! Luckily, my professor gave me dash extra day to submit it. Later, I stopped at dash cafe near dash library. I ordered dash espresso and dash apple pie. While I was eating, I saw dash one-eyed cat sleeping under dash chair. That was definitely dash surprise. Now fill the blanks and write answer in the comment section. I hope you can do it. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.